Hello students, the name of today's chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is divided into three parts. Tria means three, gono means sides, and the word metry means measures. So whenever we are dealing with measuring the three sides of the triangle, we use the term trigonometry. Today's our topic is trigonometric ratios. Children, there are 6 trigonometric ratios, and in grade 10, we are dealing with right angle triangle. Whenever we are talking about trigonometry, we are dealing with right angled triangle. So to study about the 6 different types of trigonometric ratios, we need to draw a right angle triangle. So I'm going to draw a right angle triangle for you here first. So this is a right angle triangle, right angled at point B. So this is the point B. This we are taking as a point A. This is a point C. So in the case of trigonometric ratios, we have to deal with the sides of the triangle. Here, if I am taking theta as say angle A, okay, so the name of BC will be opposite side. The side opposite to the angle is known as opposite side. Opposite side, and basically it is denoted by capital O. Okay, the side adjacent to or just near the angle theta is known as adjacent side, denoted by capital A. And we all know that the longest side of a right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse. And the notation we are using to represent hypotenuse is capital H. So children, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. The first trigonometric ratio is sine of the angle. So that is represented by sine theta. The second trigonometric ratio is cos of theta. I'm just dividing it so that you can understand. The third trigonometric ratio is tan theta. The proper name is tangent theta. First is sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Here we will discuss about the 3 trigonometric ratios. Then rest of the 3 trigonometric ratios are just the opposite of these 3. So here firstly we will deal with sine of theta. Sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So here I am writing the notations which we are using: opposite over hypotenuse. The value for cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it will be represented by capital A over H. The value of tangent theta is, children, actually it is division of sine by cos, sine theta by cos theta, as sine theta is O by H over cos theta is A by H. Then when we simplify, we know that the hypotenuse will cancel with hypotenuse in the denominator here, and finally we are having O by A. So the basic value of tangent theta is O by A. Now to deal with the rest of the trigonometric ratios, here I am just clearing it so that you can write here the value sine by cos. So it will be opposite by adjacent. So children, the rest of the trigonometric ratios are cot of theta, secant of theta denoted by SEC theta, and last one is cosecant theta. Cot of theta is opposite of tangent theta. So whatever value of tangent theta we are having, we will just reciprocate it. So here the value of cot theta will be, just reciprocate the value of tangent theta. So we will get A by O. Similarly, the value for secant theta is reciprocal value of cos. The value of cos is A by H. So the value of secant theta will be H by A. Similarly, the cosecant value is opposite of sine. So here we can see the value of sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the value for cosecant will be hypotenuse over opposite. So children, these 6 are the main basic trigonometric ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. The value of sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. The value of cos theta will be adjacent over hypotenuse. And the value of tangent is division of sine by cos. So we will get opposite by adjacent. The rest of the 3 trigonometric ratios, cot, secant, cosecants, are just the reciprocal value of the above mentioned sine, cos, tangent. So if we will look for cot theta, so cot is just the reciprocal of tangent. The value of tangent is opposite over adjacent. So the value of cot will be adjacent over opposite. Okay. The value of secant will be just the opposite of cos values. So as the value of cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, so the value for secant will be hypotenuse by adjacent. And last but not the least, to find out the value of cosecant theta, see the value of sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So the value for cosecant theta will be hypotenuse by opposite. So these all are the 6 trigonometric ratios. I hope so. It's very clear and understandable for you all. So I hope so you are able to solve the questions based on that. And children, we are using these trigonometric ratios to find the height, to find the distance and to find the hypotenuse. So in solving the real life problems, we can use trigonometric ratios. Thank you so much.